The BMW Panoramic iDrive with BMW Operating System X puts you in control of a new driving experience. Use the central display for intuitive touch control of all vehicle and infotainment functions and of the displays. Swipe through the widgets on the home screen for a quick overview with information from your favorite functions and often used features, and get to the respective menu with a click. Tap and hold to configure the widgets or remove them individually. The menu bar always offers direct access at first sight to the most important climate functions for the left and right front seat zone. Media, navigation, telephone, My Modes, My Vehicle, the climate menu, all apps, or back to the home screen. Swipe down from the top to open the tool belt with your own configurable shortcuts. Long press any app or menu to add to shortcuts. The toolbar also contains shortcuts to important functions like configuring the Panoramic Vision. It displays all the driving information you need for the driver and additional infotainment content for driver and passenger. You can also go to My Vehicle, Displays to set up the Panoramic Vision display. Choose from the apps with different compilations of the most important displays for navigation, journey data, or dynamics. Or choose your personal configuration to save your personal profile. Just drag and drop the widgets to your desired position in the Panoramic Vision display. Also, keeping your eyes on the road with your hands on the multifunctional steering wheel, you can simply press the menu button. Change through the Panoramic Vision settings with the arrow buttons and confirm with the middle one. With the other steering wheel buttons, you can control media and communication functions on the right, and driver assistance functions with the ShyTech buttons on the left. Enjoy full control.
You bought the ultimate driving machine. Good for you. Now let's make sure you're using all of it. Tap one of these videos to unlock the full potential.